Hi. Yesterday we talked about mathematics as a creative endeavor. Mathematicians do not just discover ideas. They create definitions, notation, and new ways of thinking. But once those ideas exist, they give us another remarkable power, the power to see structure. Imagine looking at a forest. Most people see thousands of individual trees. A forester begins to notice patterns, the types of trees, how they grow, and how the ecosystem fits together. Mathematics does something quite similar. It trains us to look beyond individual facts and recognize the underlying patterns that connect them. Francis Su describes this as the power of abstraction. Abstraction allows us to ignore unimportant details so we can focus on what really matters. It lets us see that two problems that look completely different may actually have the same mathematical structure. For example, compound interest, population growth, and the spread of a virus seem like unrelated topics. One belongs to finance, another to biology, and another to public health. Yet mathematically, they can all be described by the same idea: exponential growth. We see exponential growth all over the place in actual science. It even exists in music when we compare notes in different octaves. And once you recognize that structure, understanding one situation helps you understand the others. The same thing happens again and again in mathematics. Doubling our money in investing is the same math as going from a C in one octave to a C in a different octave. A theorem learned in geometry might help solve a problem in physics. A probability model might explain a business decision. A graph can reveal relationships that are difficult to see just by looking at an equation. This ability to recognize structure is one of the reasons mathematics is so powerful and why I just love it. It allows us to simplify complexity without oversimplifying reality. Rather than memorizing thousands of disconnected facts, we begin to see how those facts fit together. So, as you do math, don't just ask, "How do I solve this problem?" Also ask, "What pattern do I recognize?" Seeing these patterns requires time and patience. It requires asking questions and looking at things in different ways. But that investment in time and effort can become priceless in your math journey.